that?
Right here.
Caleb.
Look at Unc. Tell Unc what it is.
What is it?
Right here.
Let's see. Let's see what's in there. Bubble bath. You can make bubbles with Buzz.
Look this. That's Toy Story.
A Woody t-shirt.
Look.
Oh, that's his paper. Oh.
That's for your bathing. What's on that shirt?
Money. What's on here?
I think it's a sticker.
Sticker.
You can't see his face every time.
M&M's.
Yeah.
You show me what else is in there.
We can only pick a couple of things.
Don't eat it.
What else is in there?
Pick up your basket.
Look.
Oh. Pick this up. I think there's something underneath it.
What's that?
Look.
A book?
What's me?
Oh, we can read it tonight for bed. The Harbor Light.
Let's read it.
Let's read it right now.
Yeah.
To Caleb from Nene and Pat.
It's from Nene and Pat.
Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz was from them too. Turns out.
Hold up your shirt. Let's see if it'll fit
This one.
you. Whoa! Look at that. Who's on there?
Woody.
Woody.
And Rex.
Yeah. Look. We'll see if it'll fit you. Oh, howdy, cowboy.
Hi, cowboy.
Think of my boot.
Look, I'm not shirt on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I can wear.
Can you look? Unc's taping you. Can you say, thanks, Nene and Pap?
I'll take the back.
Get Buzz. Now say it again in there.
I'll take the back.